We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive, expert-driven review of the Gildan Men's Crew t-shirts, multi-pack, Style G, 1100. If you own these shirts, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Gildan Men's Crew t-shirts, multi-pack, Style G, 1100 have earned their place as a staple in men's wardrobes, consistently ranking at the top of bestsellers lists and receiving overwhelmingly positive feedback from both style editors and everyday users. Across thousands of reviews, the consensus is clear. These shirts deliver exceptional value, comfort, and durability at a price point that is hard to beat. Starting with the fabric, Gildan uses 100% premium cotton jersey for most color options, with a blend of cotton and polyester for the sport gray variant. This choice of material results in a soft, breathable shirt that feels gentle against the skin. The cotton is lightweight, yet sturdy, providing a comfortable wearing experience whether you are lounging at home, running errands, or engaging in more active pursuits. The built-in moisture-wicking technology is a standout feature, helping to keep you cool and dry even on warmer days or during physical activity. Many reviewers have noted that the shirts remain comfortable and do not cause irritation, thanks in part to the tag-free design that eliminates the common annoyance of scratchy labels at the neck. In terms of fit, the Gildan Crew t-shirts are widely praised for their classic cut. The fit is neither too tight nor too loose, making it flattering for a range of body types. The neck opening sits comfortably against the collarbones without feeling restrictive, and the sleeves hug the arms just enough to provide shape without limiting movement. The length of the shirt is also well considered, being long enough to tuck in for a more polished look, yet still looking great when worn untucked for a casual style. Tall users and those with broader builds have reported satisfaction with the sizing, particularly noting that the shirts do not ride up or become too short after washing. Durability is a recurring theme in user feedback. After multiple cycles of washing and drying, these shirts consistently retain their shape and color. The stitching and seams are robust, with very few reports of unraveling or excessive loose threads. Some users have observed minor issues, such as the occasional long thread on the inside seams, but these are easily remedied and do not impact the overall integrity of the garment. The shirts are also resistant to shrinking, though a small percentage of users recommend sizing up if you prefer a looser fit, or are concerned about potential shrinkage after the first wash. Versatility is another key strength of the Gildan Crew t-shirts. Their simple, timeless design makes them suitable for a wide range of uses. They work equally well as standalone shirts, paired with jeans or shorts for a relaxed look, or as undershirts beneath dress shirts, sweaters, or jackets. The multi-pack format, available in various color combinations and pack sizes, allows users to stock up on essentials without breaking the bank. This makes them an especially attractive option for those looking to refresh their wardrobe or purchase in bulk for work, sports, or family needs. The shirt's performance in real-world conditions is consistently positive. Whether worn for everyday activities, light workouts, or as part of a work uniform, they maintain comfort and appearance throughout the day. The moisture-wicking fabric is effective at managing sweat, though some users have noted that visible sweat marks may appear if you perspire heavily. The breathability of the cotton ensures that the shirts remain comfortable even during extended wear, and the lightweight nature of the material makes them suitable for layering in cooler weather or wearing alone in warmer months. From a value perspective, the Gildan Men's Crew t-shirts are frequently highlighted as one of the best deals in basic menswear. The cost per shirt is significantly lower than many competitors, yet the quality rivals or surpasses more expensive alternatives. Reviewers appreciate the ability to purchase multiple shirts at once, often for less than the price of a single premium tee from other brands. This affordability does not come at the expense of quality, as evidenced by the high ratings and repeat purchases from satisfied customers. Sustainability and responsible manufacturing are also part of Gildan's appeal. The shirts are certified by OECO-TEX Standard 100, indicating that they are produced with safer chemicals and environmentally conscious practices. This commitment to sustainability is an added bonus for consumers who prioritize ethical production in their purchasing decisions. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are a few minor drawbacks to consider. Some users have mentioned that the fabric can feel slightly rough on the inside, though this does not typically cause discomfort or irritation. A small number of reviewers have experienced slight shrinkage after washing, reinforcing the advice to consider sizing up if you are between sizes. Additionally, while the shirts are praised for their lightweight feel, those seeking a thicker, more substantial fabric for colder climates or heavy-duty use may find them a bit too thin. Finally, the plain, no-frills design may not appeal to those looking for more fashion-forward or statement pieces, but for most users, the simplicity is a key part of their versatility and everyday appeal. When compared to other leading brands in the basic t-shirt market, Gildan holds its own and often comes out ahead in terms of value and reliability. While some premium brands may offer slightly softer fabrics or more tailored fits, the difference is often marginal and does not justify the significant price difference for most consumers. The Gildan Crew t-shirts strike a balance between affordability, comfort, and durability that is difficult to match, making them a go-to choice for a wide range of users. Customer experiences reflect a high level of satisfaction across diverse demographics. Users appreciate the true-to-size fit, the range of available colors, and the consistency and quality from pack to pack. The shirts are frequently recommended as gifts, work uniforms, or everyday basics, and many buyers report returning to purchase additional packs after their initial experience. The positive word of mouth and high volume of 5-star ratings further reinforce the reputation of these shirts as a reliable and worthwhile investment. In summary, the Gildan Men's Crew t-shirts, Multipack Style G 1100, offer a compelling combination of comfort, durability, and value. Their soft, breathable cotton fabric, classic fit, and moisture-wicking properties make them suitable for a wide range of activities and body types. The shirts hold up well to repeated washing, maintain their shape and color, and provide a comfortable wearing experience throughout the day. Minor drawbacks such as occasional shrinkage or fabric thinness are outweighed by the numerous benefits, and the affordable price point makes them accessible to a broad audience. Whether you are looking to refresh your wardrobe, stock up on essentials, or find a reliable everyday shirt, the Gildan Crew t-shirts are a smart and practical choice. If you have experience with these shirts, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to provide in-depth, unbiased reviews.